Hi guys, got a minute? I'm Maria. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back. Spring and Easter are quickly approaching and I've been getting into the festive spirit in my kitchen. Today we're making glazed Italian ring-shaped cookies for Easter. They're soft, sweet, and perfect for gifting or sharing with your family. These cookies are inspired by traditional sweet taralli, a classic Italian cookie that's fun to make and even more fun to eat. Here are the ingredients you'll need for the cookies: eggs, granulated sugar, unsalted butter, all-purpose flour, salt, and baking powder, plus either lemon juice and zest or vanilla extract for flavor. You can make these cookies simple with vanilla extract or add a fresh twist with lemon juice and lemon zest, which is what I'm doing today. Juice your lemon and grate the zest. It smells amazing and really brightens up the cookies. Next, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and line your baking sheets with parchment paper. Set them aside, we'll need them in just a bit. Start by cracking 3 large eggs into a mixing bowl and beat them until light and fluffy. Then add 3/4 cup of granulated sugar and continue beating until the mixture is pale in color, about 3 minutes. Next, mix in half a cup of melted unsalted butter and your choice of 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, or like I'm doing today, 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice and half a teaspoon of lemon zest. Now add 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix on low speed just until the dough comes together. Be careful not to overmix. You want a soft, pliable dough that's easy to shape. Dust your work surface with a little flour. Divide the dough and roll each piece into a rope. Pinch the ends together to make a ring and place them on your prepared baking sheet about 1 inch to 1.5 inches apart. Bake your cookies at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 to 18 minutes until the tops are lightly golden. Keep in mind every oven is different, so check your cookies and adjust the time as needed. I baked both my baking sheets together using the convection bake setting for 10 minutes. Let them cool on the baking sheet for a few minutes, then transfer to a cooling rack. While the cookies cool, here's what you'll need for the glaze: powdered sugar, milk, lemon juice or vanilla, and some colorful sprinkles to finish. Whisk together 1.5 cups of powdered sugar, 4 to 5 tablespoons of milk, and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice or vanilla extract. If the glaze is too thin, add a little more powdered sugar. If it's too thick, add a splash more milk until it's just right. Now you can either spoon the glaze over the cooled cookies or dip the tops right into it. Let any excess drip off, then finish with a sprinkle of colorful sprinkles. And just look at them. Aren't they beautiful? Soft, sweet, glazed Italian ring-shaped cookies, sweet taralli, perfect for Easter or any time you want a little treat. Really delicious. I'd love to hear from you. What do you think of this recipe? Any fun twists you try? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a recipe. Thanks so much for watching and happy baking!